Armenian pizza. Oh yeah, Armenian pizza. It's delicious. And what's awesome is we're using this fresh milled wheat. I like the flavor, and I think it worked really good. It gives you a little crunch. It's delicious. delicious and amazing. We got a gift in today. It says it is from Bless Your Heart Gifts. I have no idea what it is or who it's from, but it's always fun to get surprises. So let's open it up and check it out. Wow. Somebody must have gotten our address and sent us something personal. I hope it's to me. It says Linda. My guess is it's from Linda, but I could be wrong.
That's just Jeffrey Reynolds, so it's to you.
Okay. Thank you. Maybe it was one of my authors that I've had as a guest. Small Shop, Big Heart. Bless Your Heart Gifts from Pennsylvania. It is addressed to Linda. Somebody must have made a mistake. Linda, thank you for your order and supporting my small gift shop. Oh, okay. I think I understand what happened now. I believe what happened is somebody bought us something off Amazon, and whoever packaged it sent, thinks that they're sending it to Linda. But Linda sent us this gift. That's why it's addressed to Linda. So it's saying, Linda, thank you for your order and supporting my small gift shop. I hope you love your purchase. Gans 4-piece measuring spoon set, colorful flower bouquet. God bless you. Nancy, owner, Bless Your Heart Gifts. So I believe it's from someone named Linda. Linda, thank you for this gift. And Nancy, if you're watching, thank you for sending such a nice little card with this, because nowadays everything's done by computer and everything is digital, and you actually took the time out to write a nice card like this. And here is the spoon set. It's very nice. It's beautiful.
This is 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. What is it?
Half teaspoon, and looks like 1/4 teaspoon. Linda, thank you so much for sending this spoon set to us. It's awesome and we really like it. And we are going to be putting it to use.